Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished your Smartsheet could automatically update the status of your tasks based on how much you've completed, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful tip, how to automate your task status based on percentage complete in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a smoother workflow, but you'll also save time double-checking or manually updating task statuses. Let's dive right in and make your project management a whole lot smarter. Alright, so first things first, go ahead and open up your Smartsheet. This is going to be the place where all the action happens. If you're not already familiar, Smartsheet is like a spreadsheet, but way more powerful when it comes to managing projects and automating tasks. Once you're logged in and looking at your project sheet, take a moment to scan the layout. You should see columns for your tasks and their current status. That's perfect because we're going to build on top of what you already have. Now, the key thing we want to do here is set a smart condition, so Smartsheet can automatically change a task's status as you update its percentage complete. Think of it as your digital assistant, keeping your task list in line so you can focus on the work itself. For example, if a task hits 100%, the status should update to completed. No extra steps, no manual updates. This is especially useful if you've got a ton of tasks, or you're collaborating with a team and want everyone to see the latest, most accurate information at a glance. To make this happen, we need to set up an automation. Again, don't worry if automation sounds intimidating. It's really just about telling Smartsheet, hey, when X happens, go ahead and do Y for me. In this case, X is the percentage complete hitting 100%, and Y is updating the status to completed. Ready. Here, how you do it, head up to the top menu and look for the Automation tab. Give it a click and you'll see a list of options. What we want to do is create a workflow. That's Smartsheet's name for an automated action. There are some ready-to-use templates that make this much easier, so you're not starting from scratch. Go ahead and browse for a template that fits. Usually something like record a date when a status changes or change cell value when conditions are met is a solid choice. If you don't see the exact template, don't stress. You can usually tweak one to fit your needs. Once you've picked a template, you'll set up your condition. Tell Smartsheet you want to watch the percent complete column, and when it hits 100%, go ahead and update the status column to say completed. If you want, you can even add an action to record the completion date automatically in another column. This is super handy for tracking your team's performance over time or for those project wrap-up reviews. After you've finished setting all that up, remember to save your workflow. It might take a few moments for Smartsheet to process, but you only need to do this once, and then boom, your status updates will happen all on their own from now on. If at any point you're uncertain, don't hesitate to test your automation with a sample task just to make sure it works as expected. It's all about building trust in your system. And just like that, you've brought a powerful layer of automation to your Smartsheet. Give yourself a pat on the back, you're building workflows like a pro. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip that could save you time and make your projects run smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.